Namaskar, myself Sven Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I am welcome you all for daily weather briefing, that is 25th August 2021. Here in this slide, left hand side we see the synoptic features of today. As we see, the monsoon trough is running along to the foothills of Himalayas, both the ends, western end and eastern ends, and one cyclone circulation over central Pakistan and neighborhood in low level tropospheric level, and one WD is around 72 degree to the north of 30, and another is fresh WD is 60 degree east to the 30 degree to the north. And the right hand side shows the cloud, satellite cloud over the country. Here you can see easily the activity will only over the northern parts of northwest India and northeast states of the country, and some activity over southern peninsula, and especially over Andaman Nicobar also. Now we are talking about the monsoon activity during past 24 hours. As the right hand side picture of this slide shows, the red color, weak monsoon activity entire the country except some parts East India and Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and over northeast states where the good rainfall amount had received during past 24 hours. Now we are talking about the rainfall activity in amount wise. Extremely heavy rainfall observed at isolated places over Uttarakhand, over Dehradun is 21 centimeter, and very heavy rainfall was over South Himalayan West Bengal, Tripura, and South Indian Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and heavy rain at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Assam, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and Rayalaseema. And here some rainfall amount is there as Dehradun 21 centimeter, Valonia 17 centimeter, Sabrom 16 centimeter, Garhwal 15 centimeter, and many more. Now we are talking about the weather warning during next 24 hours. As I already told, the shifting of the monsoon trough towards foothills, we expecting good rainfall over foothills of Himalaya, over Uttarakhand, northern parts of East UP, Bihar, and due to the south or southwesterly wind from Bay of Bengal towards northeast states, good rainfall likely over northeastern states. And we forecasted extremely heavy fall over Arunachal Pradesh, heavy to very heavy rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya, South Himalayan West Bengal, and Uttarakhand, and heavy rainfall over East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Andaman Nicobar, and southern peninsula over Tamil Nadu and coastal Karnataka, and thunderstorm with lightning also over East India and adjoining Central India and Uttar Pradesh, Northeast state, and Kerala and Tamil Nadu during next 24 hours. Now we are talking about the weather warning for next 5 days. As I already told, the monsoon trough now foothills to Himalaya, but from tomorrow the eastern end likely to shift towards its normal position, and from 17 we expect a cyclone circulation likely to form over northwest and west central Bay of Bengal, which will go towards west northwest first, which give good rainfall amount over central India on 29. It start from 27 to East India, and it likely to shift towards northwest in northwestward, so which give good rainfall over central India from 29. We expecting heavy rainfall over central India, adjoining Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and some more activity will increase over southern peninsula from 27. Is also likely over good rainfall over southern peninsula, on from 27 to 29. And with this, thunderstorm activity is also likely to continue during next 4 5 days in this region. Now you can visit our website for latest update as mosam.imd.gov, and you can follow us over social medias as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blog, and as well as for mobile concern you can use our app for Android as well as iOS, Apple phones as Meghdoot for agro advisory, Damni app for lightning alert, and Mosam app for forecasting, special location specific forecasting. And thank you very much.